Good day, everybody. We're going to take you on a cruise up to Chulabhorn Dam. And en route going to it, we're going to stop off at a really nice, a very famous viewpoint to show you the views from the mountaintop. And we'll also do a little drive around the lake area and fly the drone as well. Please stick around and watch the video. Amen.
เขาก็ไปอันนี้มันเป็นจุดชมวิวใหญ่เนี่ยแล้วบอกนู่นบอกนี่คือบางคนเขาแค่อ่านใช่ไหมพี่เขาไปอ่านเอาแล้วก็
Take a look at that.
ก็มาพากเอาที่บอก
This is one of the top viewpoints in Thailand. We're about an hour from Chaiyaphum. There's signs leading all over coming up here that says to stop and take a look. I would imagine on a clear day, this is probably far more beautiful. There's a lot of leaves are falling from the trees. It's kind of like a fall season here. Locations where you can stop and buy some little trinkets to take to your family if you choose. Nice spot. We met some new friends here from Buriram. We were very surprised. I just happened to stop and talk to them while they were here, and Jai came across to talk as well. So we're happy to meet you guys. Nice to meet you. They're coming from where?
Buriram.
No, where are they coming from right now?
Now from Chiang Khang.
Chiang Khang. Okay, that's where we were going to go, right?
She recommend very beautiful.
Yeah. So we're not sure exactly where we're going to go right now because we've got so many things to do here in Chaiyaphum that we may or may not make it up there this time. Anyhow, nice to meet you guys. If you don't mind, I'm going to put you in the video.
Me too. Thank you very much.
We've lost track of time, don't know how to feel, but I'm not sorry. I'm lost in your eyes, are you even real? But don't you worry, I'm not looking for the one, no, I just wanna have some fun, so let's get drunk tonight, 'cause fuck how we feel. But for now, I won't give it all away, 'cause I don't think I'll stay. No, I can't be the only one who doesn't wanna fall in love. Doesn't wanna fall in love. Doesn't wanna fall in love. May not see eye to eye, but we can be chill for just this moment. So turn out the lights and let's make a deal to just enjoy it. I'm not thinking about forever. I won't care if we don't end up together. Let's get high tonight, 'cause fuck how we feel, yeah. But for now, I won't give it all away, 'cause I don't think I'll stay. No, I can't be the only one who doesn't wanna fall in love.
can ride here เข้าไปได้
No, we already have. This is a pretty deep dam.
Wow.
Look how far down. Yeah. So the water must go from this one down to the other one. This one's not so low.
Okay.
นี่ขนาดว่าไม่ติด1 ใน 10นะคือเก็บใส่ทุกอย่างไม่มีชื่อต้องมีเราใหญ่เขาบอกเขาทำที่กันมานี่ขนาดว่าไม่
So it'd be okay to go. Nothing said, no drone?
But you say that you will get by you can relax it now or something.
He's thinking it's a cell service though, not one satellite.
Someone comes to us, we can put some money. ตรงโน้นเราพอเสือจอดรถตรงร้านอาหาร
Is there a lookout up here, you think?
มาได้เปิดวิ
There
หาร
might,
หลวง
there
พ่อ
might be a lookout
เทมเบิล
point. This looks like a lookout point, possibly.
อ๋อนี่สกาเนี่ยเป็นพาร์กิ้งเนาะเนี่ยเป็นพาร์กิ้งอะไรเนี่ย
Die.
Got some
Oh, that's
toilet
room.
and everything.
ห้องน้
ห้องน้ำ
ห้องน้ำ What they have the shed one you see the shed
You want to go there or you want to just park
No,
here?
no, I want to go to the toilet.
You want the Hong
I
Nam?
already have
I just went,
behind the tree.
I went by the car.
Okay. Yeah.
Chulabhorn Dam very beautifulสวยมากเลย
Nice view of the lake from up here at the garden area. There's a gazebo down there for somebody that wants to go and relax, picnic. There's even parking. This is Jai's friend P-Fern. She thinks it needs water, so she's over here helping to water the plants. A restroom over there. I don't know what this is over here, but there's a little tour bus. You can actually drive over top of the dam, so I think we'll stop over there and have some selfie opportunities.
Don't you dare say that I wanted everything to fall apart when it's haunting me. 'Cause my only crime was hoping there is something more than this loneliness I feel. But no one makes me feel less alive. We're fighting fire. The way you push my buttons just right. We're fighting fire. When two voices of nature collide. We're fighting fire. Can't help but feel the temperature rise. We're fighting fire. We're fire. Maybe if we took a moment long enough to realize how alike we are, that not everything is broken. 'Cause you know me better than anyone by far. But no one makes me feel less alive. We're fighting fire. The way you push my buttons just right. We're fighting fire. When two voices of nature collide. We're fighting fire. Can't help but feel the temperature rise. We're fighting fire. We're fire. When two voices of nature collide. We're fighting fire. Can't help but feel the temperature.
Got my supermodel here with me. We're at the Chulabhorn Dam. So I wanted to get a video of her here actually standing on the dam. And you can see the sign way over there. I flew the drone here, so you should see everything. We're not allowed to fly out over the lake. I probably did a little more than I'm supposed to because I did fly a little bit over it. They don't want you flying over the lake. They fly it with their own drone every 2 hours. They have a nice party boat here. I don't know if it's just for official use when they have groups of people come or what, but that'd be kind of fun to go out on if they'd take us. And the other boat over there is probably their lake boat. Look at all the monkeys in the road up there. We're gonna go a little closer to try to get video of them, but I don't know if they're gonna let us get up to them. So I stopped at a little distance and I zoomed in. I don't know how clear it is, but we're gonna get closer and see if we can get video up there. Okay everybody, we've been driving around Chulabhorn Dam. I was able to fly the drone and we went into some areas I don't know that we're supposed to go, but it was kind of fun touring around here. If you like our content, please reach down, mash the like and subscribe. We'd appreciate it. Doesn't cost you anything and it helps us with the algorithm. This is Bobby. Enjoy with time to get going. Out.